Hi, everybody. Still out today, and I'm bumming about how much time is passing and not being in there to continue on with science with all of you. So I wanted to get on and make this quick video and have a little science discussion before science today. So far, we've learned a whole lot about water, we've learned a whole lot about air, and you're learning about the energy, heat energy from the sun. And I know yesterday with Mr. Bark, you guys explored how the sun's heat and how it hits the planet is influencing the seasons. Today, I'd like you to think about, again, about air and about water and what you know about temperature and how that affects those molecules. So take a moment, let's just focus on air for right now. And could you turn and talk to your partner for about 20 seconds and just remind each other what happens to molecules of air when they are heated and when they are cooled. Go ahead and take 20 and talk to each other about what happens. You'll need to start wrapping it up in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, back together. So I know you just talked about the fact that when air is warmed, the molecules spread out, and because they spread out, air is less dense, it gets lighter, and that warmer air will tend to rise up above the cooler air. And when the air is cooled, those molecules come further together, the air gets denser, gets heavier, and that air will begin to sink below cooler air. And we know it's not about it being warm like our bodies are warm, it's about how it is compared to the air around it. The warmer air is going to be more spread out and above. The warmer air that's warmer than this air is going to be up here, and warmer air up here, it's going to be sorting itself out. Okay. Guys, so when we are talking about how air arranges itself depending on its temperature, we're talking about the fact that the atmosphere is actually, the air is constantly in motion depending on its temperature. There are other factors too, but right now let's just talk about temperature. When we talk about that, I think, at least in my mind, I'm often thinking about like the air in our schoolyard. And the temperature differences in our schoolyard are having a small impact on air. But when you consider the whole planet, you're talking about the sun heating our planet very unevenly for a variety of reasons that create enormous changes in air across the planet. And that is one of the major drivers of why we have weather change. So today you're going to be watching a video, and this video is going to talk to you and show you a bit about those major factors about how the sun heats our planet unevenly, why it's heating our planet unevenly, and what impact that has on our air, which of course is containing water, various amounts, and what that has to do with weather. So watch the video once all the way through, and then I'm going to ask that you watch it again, pausing, and we'll be asking you to take some Cornell notes. Okay, have a good day. Bye.